Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today will be our final video on the North Carolina and Tennessee Backroads series, and we begin at Newfound Gap on US Highway 441, headed north in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park in Sevier County, Tennessee. We begin at Clingman's Dome Road and quickly come to the Newfound Gap parking area. At the gap, we're at 5,048 feet above sea level. We're heading downhill all the way to Gatlinburg on this twisting mountain road. This is a slow 15 miles with the speed limit varying between 25 and 35 miles per hour the whole way. Throughout the rest of this video, there will be scenic viewpoints where you can pull over and park. There are also several trailheads along the road here. Here we pass through the Martin Mountain Tunnel, the first of two tunnels we'll see in this video. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. On the right is the Alum Cave Bluff Trailhead. The trail ascends Mount LeConte, the sixth highest mountain east of the Mississippi River, and passes by many notable landmarks such as Arch Rock, Inspiration Point, the Duck Hawk Peaks, and Cliff Top before merging with Rainbow Falls Trail near the summit. It's hard to see from the top, but the road here actually makes a complete 360-degree loop, crossing itself under a bridge. On the left is the Chimney Tops Trailhead. In November of 2016, after several months of drought and winds gusting up to 80 miles per hour, a wildfire was started by two teenagers near Chimney Tops summit, sweeping through the forest in the area around the trail and leaving a path of destruction all the way north to Pigeon Forge. The steep 2-mile trail has been restored with a new observation deck a quarter-mile below the summit, which provides views of Mount LeConte and the Chimney Tops pinnacles. On the left is the Chimney's picnic area and the Cove Hardwood Nature Trail. The trail is a self-guided interpretive footpath that serves as a perfect introduction to one of North America's richest ecosystems, the southern Appalachian Cove Hardwood Forest. In spring, the woods here serve up a truly spectacular wildflower display, one of the most lavish and accessible in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. A loop hike, the nature trail is a mere 9/10 of a mile in length, but claims its share of ups and downs and stream crossings. Give yourself an hour at least to fully appreciate the entrancing forest here. If you're a photographer visiting during peak spring bloom, you could easily spend several hours here composing top caliber shots. To the left on Fighting Creek Gap Road is the Sugarlands Visitor Center, named for Sugarlands Valley. This is the northern visitor center of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We're now approaching the city limits of Gatlinburg and the end of the national park. In the 15 miles since beginning of this video, we've descended from 5,048 feet at Newfound Gap to 1,450 feet above sea level here. Be sure to check out our real-time drive along the parkway in Gatlinburg if you haven't already. The link is in the description and on the end screen. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.